Yes, we are recreating this makeup look today. Again, I'm using this brow soap to create these kind of bushy eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I'm using this Avon pomade in shade Tornado. You can find Avon website link in my profile. And with this pomade, I'll fill all these empty areas. I'm just adding a little bit. You see? Do you see a difference in my eyebrows before and after? I'm actually loving this shape. On my eyelid, I'm using this eyeshadow primer from Amazon and the name is Kaida. And the shade I'm using is dark. You can find all these Amazon products link in my profile. Now I'll just blend it. And for this makeup look, I'm using this fairy palette from Beauty Bay. And you can download Beauty Bay application from Play Store to do your shopping. From here, I'm taking this coffee bean shade. I'll try my best to match my shades. And I'm creating a full cut crease shape here. Now I'll blend it with this brown shade. With a blending brush, I just dab the shade here. And after that, I'm just blending it. On top of my brown shade, I'll blend this skin shade. With a big fluffy blending brush, I'll just blend skin shade here. For cut crease, I'm again using Vaseline. I again applied eyeshadow base here. Now I'll apply lighter shade here. With a small brush, I'm applying chocolate shade here. Only in my outer corner. Now I'll apply this caramel sauce shade here. I'm adding a little bit caramel shade. This is how my eye makeup is looking so far. Let me complete my face. Then we'll do lower lash. My face is done. Eyelashes, I'm using this from AliExpress. For my lipstick, I'll again mix few shades to make this shade. In my waterline, I'm applying this CoverGirl concealer. With this brush, I'm applying brown shade. And I'm just blending it with dark brown shade. And here you go with the final look. Here is my final look. Let me show you from side by side. My eyeshadows are a little bit different, but at least the look is same. I'm just adding a little bit brown shade here. It was looking quite lighter. And I think now it's way better than before. What do you think about it? If you like this tutorial, don't forget to share it. And do follow me for more makeup tutorials.